Rita, present Miss. Siti, present Miss. Fernando, present Miss. Putri, Jenny, present Miss. Evan, Muhammad Rafi, Alfred, Esta, Nurul, Muhammad Harun, Muhammad Chandra. First, we check the attendance. Nanti kalau bilang apa kehilangan namanya satu, you can say present, okay? Sinta, Robi, Dina, Syafi, okay. Is anyone absent today? No? Okay. So before we start listen, Miss ada ice greeting nih. Siapa yang mau ice greeting? Saya. Mana semangatnya? Aku nggak ada semangat. Siapa yang mau ice greeting? Saya. Oke, ice greetingnya you can sit down aja ya. Jadi turnya itu bumi itu bulat. Bumi itu bulat. Oke. Jika Miss bilang 8 ditambah 8 sama dengan 4, maka 6 ditambah 9 sama dengan 2. Correct. Siapa tadi? Melly. Oke, sedikit ya. Jika 8 ditambah 100 sama dengan 4, maka 200 ditambah 800 sama dengan 4. 4. supporting the research. So this type political structure of argumentative text. This is the ini bagian dari struktur argumentatif. Tapi nanti kita bakal bedah satu-satu ya. Argument and conclusion. You want writer argumentative text, you can use simple present tense. So because you can use simple present tense, biasanya bisa dipakai karena fakta, kebiasaan, and opinion. Logical connector. You can use wider opinion. Can use however, therefore, and their understanding. Oke. Biasanya kalian kalau mau menulis sesuatu biasanya menggunakan di antara ini, ya kan? Biasanya kita menggunakan however or therefore, okay? Right? Okay, next opinion word. Opinion word use can pakai I like, I believe, I think, in my view, in my opinion, and the last, cause and effect. You can use as because, so, as a result. Okay, next. This is vocabulary. Vocabulary you can use in writing. Opinion, listen, improve, harmful. You know harmful? Okay. Impact and reduce, useful, addiction, communication and distraction, agree and disagree. Okay, next. Okay. Tadi kita sudah tahu ya bagian-bagian strukturnya. Ada apa aja tadi? Thesis, argument, and conclusion. Okay. This part, this first thesis. Why? Why thesis? Because thesis is tell writers opinions, give opinions. So you can call thesis is my opinions, right? For example, TikTok is one of the most popular social media apps today. This is my opinion. Okay? My opinion. This opinion. Many people use this very day to watch articles, learn trends, and adapt to society. This is okay. Second, argument. Argument is tell writers to reason. So you can call argument my reason.
Tesis is argumen, terus argumen apakah tesis is opinion, argumen apakah tidak opini? opini. Semuanya ini opini ya, tapi bedanya apa? Bagian tesis itu adalah bagian yang mengintroduce kali ya keseluruhan teks. And then the argument?
Argument is my reason. Reason is why.
Not your reason, but the writer's Terus counter argument?
Counter argument is
Pendukung. Counter itu apa? Apa arti counter? Counter apa itu?
Perbaikan.
Oke, kalau gitu saya penasaran ya. Jadi apa itu? Yang mana yang kontak? Yang hitam? Oh, how about the black one? Punya beberapa warna ini. Nah, yang hitam warna untuk apa itu? Mendukung apa? Mendukung argumen. Oke, kalau konteks? Oke, next.
Karena tadi sudah dijelaskan apa itu test argumentative, so this ada tugas ya student, group discussion, teamwork. Okay. Look at the picture carefully, answer the question, discuss, answer your ideas about social media. Then, write a simple argumentative text based on your opinions. Please kasih waktu 15 menit, cukup? 20 menit. Ini kelompoknya dibentuk sendiri ya? Mau Miss bagikan atau mau cari sendiri? Jadi sendiri. Boleh.
Kelompok berapa orang?
4 or 5 people.
portfolio. In conclusion, smartphones are useful for learning, so students should be allowed to use them in school.
Okay, thank you, Rita. Before that, I want to ask you about thesis, argument, and conclusion. Bagian mana yang tesis? Yang lain bisa bantu?
Tesisnya, students should be allowed to use smartphone in school. Argumennya, smartphones help students find information quickly and support learning. And conclusionnya, smartphones are useful for learning, so students should be allowed to use them.
Oke, give applause. Oke, tadi kan Rita sudah menjelaskan tesis, argumen, and conclusion. Why this? Kenapa itu bisa tesis dan kenapa itu bisa argumen and conclusion? You can explain it.
You can explanation.
And you can explain it. Okay, because the thesis. Okay, because the thesis. Di sini ada IT, so this is my opinion. Yes. And social media can also be used for learning and sharing. This is the reason. And in conclusion, the writers is the summarize in writing. In conclusion, social media is useful for students when it is used responsibly.
What is the reason? Jadi kenapa itu tesis, kenapa itu argumen?
Karena yang tesis itu ada tulisan IT social media disebut.
Di second and third opinion juga ada. Coba kamu lihat itu. Oh baik. Tuh. My opinion. And then terutama kita personal negatif. Sama opini juga. Di bawah.
Sebelum masuk ke kelas, ini ada pantun. Buah mengkudu, buah kedondong. Makan rujak di pinggir sawah. Hari ini kita sudah belajar bareng-bareng. Semoga ilmu bertambah berkah. Sekian, thank you for your attention.